If you are out of baking powder or it has expired, save a trip to the store and use this simple recipe to make some at home. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Baking powder is a leavening agent used in baking that is activated in a recipe by moisture. When baking powder reacts to a liquid in a recipe, it will start to bubble up, and this is the baking powder activating. To make baking powder, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and stir together. Use a funnel or a piece of paper to easily transfer the mixture to a sealed container. If you are using this baking powder at a later date, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the mixture. This will help absorb any moisture and extend the shelf life. If you do not have cream of tartar, check the video description below for other baking powder substitutes. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.